following message is transmitted at the request of the Etowah County Emergency Management Agency. Icy road conditions have developed across the county. Over the past hour, many roads have become extremely treacherous, and driving conditions are becoming dangerous. Numerous accidents have been reported at this time across the entire county. Only travel on area roadways, if absolutely necessary, or if there is an emergency. If you have to drive, use extreme caution as this is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Hazardous road conditions will continue through the evening hours. Temperatures should rise above freezing by 10 p.m.
Speaking of turns, friends, don't forget to turn on that turn signal and
This is tough. I'm ready.